Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up, So Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana. I'm here to present the line dance Say Less. The music is Take Me Home. The artist is PEEDI Crakk and DJ Whoo. The choreography is Chris Blues. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, I'll post the instructional if you're interested at the end of this video, and also check out the choreographer instructional. Here we go. I am the Whoo teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.